Afternoon. Despite the state's health order, a New Mexico speedway still decided to hold their season opener this weekend, welcoming hundreds of people into their venue. News 13's Jeannie Nguyen asked the state what they plan to do about it. She's here with their answers.
While the governor was strict about now allowing massive gatherings, the organizers at the speedway in Roswell say they didn't care. As restrictions lessen from the coronavirus, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham made it clear New Mexico is still not ready to hold mass gatherings.
Today, if you ask me, do I think that in the middle of July that we can have a large concert? My reaction with what I know about COVID around the country and for the state of New Mexico is no, I don't think we can.
But for the organizers at Alien Motor Speedway in Roswell, that didn't matter. This past Saturday, they went ahead with their season opener and invited hundreds of people to come out. According to their Facebook page, after the event, they thanked everyone for a successful night and showed their appreciation for, quote, the fans showing up in the masses. On Friday, one of the event organizers took to Facebook to address the controversy behind their decision to go ahead with the event.
We have a couple haters in our community, previous racers and stuff that are trying to shut all the racetracks down here in New Mexico. As well as you guys know, I'm not scared. I am racing tomorrow.
In comparison, sporting events and venues like the United have had to make adjustments to their games and schedules to comply with the health order. Even after denying the governor's order this weekend, organizers at the Speedway don't plan on stopping. A countdown has been posted on their website for the next event this coming weekend. A governor spokesperson told News 13 last week they plan on reaching out to the organizers to tell them this is not permitted. State police say they were made aware of this event and it's currently under investigation. Back to you.
Okay, Jeannie. We reached out to Alien Motor Speedway for comment. They ignored the request.